Not sure what make this is. I've not seen this exact one before. Let's see, does it say there? Not that I can tell. Oh, it moves a good air. I can definitely feel the air from it. Surprised at just how much air I can feel. Some LED lights there. Any idea who makes this? Do you know? Is there like a name on the switch or something? I've seen these big ones before, but I don't recognize this one.
It's actually called Big Ass Fans.
This is Big Ass Fans here? Yeah. I've seen Big Ass Fans, but I haven't seen a model that looks like this before, so I thought it was like a competitor or something.
No, I'm pretty sure that's Big Ass Fans.
Interesting. So they must be making like a cleaner design now. The ones that I've seen were real clunky.